Good Saturday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on around the area this morning. You can see we've got isolated showers and storms moving through the area. All this activity is really kind of moving from east to west in most cases, as that low pressure system, that nor'easter that was off the coast, continues to kind of push its way back in westward just a little bit, and it'll give us some rain chances again today. Not as much as we saw yesterday, as these showers will be, and storms, if we get any, will be very isolated over the county, but we'll certainly continue to keep you updated on it. The Storms Prediction Center right now showing all of North Carolina in that light shade of green again, meaning just a general thunderstorm risk, so a very, very, very low risk for severe weather around the area today. And I don't think we have any concerns for that at all, especially with the foggy and cloudy conditions we've got to start the day off here on this Saturday morning. Let's take a look now at what we can see temperature-wise locally here. We've got 61 degrees to start the day off at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, 62 degrees here at the Weather Center in Atwell, 57 up in Boone to start the day, as they have the cool spot on the map this morning. And you can see a lot of areas with 63 degrees. The warm spots on the map looking like Dunn and over toward the Raleigh-Durham Triangle area coming in at 66 degrees this morning is one of the warm spots on the map as well. Let's take a look at what the models are showing. And this is at 10 a.m. this morning. And you can see an area of showers and thunderstorms off to our northeast with some isolated discrete cells around the area as well. And then we take you to 11, and you see all that activity really starting to move up the coast as the low will start to pull up the coast and pull away from us. A few discrete cells will start to pop up in the mountains and foothills, basically where some moisture is getting trapped up against those eastern slopes of the mountains, eastern facing slopes there, and generating some discrete thunderstorm activity. This is now 2 p.m., 3 p.m., and you see not much going on over the county. Now, that doesn't mean we won't get some rain today, but it's going to be very isolated. Some of this activity does move closer as we head to the evening hours. This is now 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and then you can see by 8 p.m. things are really starting to settle down as that low really starts to pull away from us. So not looking for much in terms of rainfall today, maybe a 1/10 of an inch. If you do happen to get a thunderstorm over you, then you're looking at maybe a little bit higher for the accumulation levels, but otherwise, the rain threat is there, so keep your rain gear handy. If you got outdoor activities planned today, you can go through with them. Just make sure you've got a plan B in place in case a passing shower comes over. And then really as you go into the day on Sunday, you're good for the morning hours, maybe early afternoon, and some rain chances linger in for late afternoon. And then after that, we've got pretty much a good chance of staying dry on Monday. And then as we go through next week, the heat is on. We'll see our first taste of 90-degree weather coming up by the end of next week. More on that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and take a quick break, get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the pollen outlook and more. All that's coming up right after this. Weather impacts for today sponsored by Patterson Farm. The very berry days going on right now. You can go out and pick your own strawberries. If you don't want to pick them, you don't have the time, you just physically can't do it, whatever the case may be. You can also purchase them pre-picked at the market as well. All kinds of other activities going on out at the farm as well this time of year. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com/berry-days. You can get all the details on all the activities surrounding the strawberries out at Patterson Farm right now. Foggy conditions this morning for the weather impacts. We'll see isolated showers and thunderstorms possible during the mid-morning to late afternoon hours. Partly cloudy skies this evening. Rainfall accumulations of around a 1/10 of an inch with higher accumulations possible from thunderstorms. The pollen outlook sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers are birch, hickory, and maple. See, we've got medium levels of pollen today with high levels returning for Sunday and Monday. The mowing forecast, we've got a yellow light out there really for today and Sunday. I do think you can get it done, to be quite honest with you. You just may have to avoid a passing shower here or there. For Sunday, you've got, I think, most of the day to really get it done. It's going to be the late afternoon into the evening hours where those rain chances could take place. And then Monday, even though I've got a 20% chance of rain in the forecast, it's very isolated. And I think you've got a better chance of staying dry on Monday. So plenty of opportunities to get it done on Monday as well. The mosquito forecast shows high levels of activity through the weekend into early next week. And the forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, we'll see a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. That's mainly going to be during the late morning to late afternoon hours. Very, very isolated. I think if you've got any outdoor plans, you've certainly got plenty of opportunities to get them done with the very slight risk of a passing shower. For this evening, we'll see a low of 61 with partly cloudy skies. And we've got the Charlotte FC back in action at Bank of America tonight. It's Bank of America Stadium taking on Montreal. That matchup starting around 7 p.m. this evening. I'll be on hand once again, giving live updates throughout the match. I'll also provide some unique perspectives and views while I'm there. Charlotte FC going for a record tying fifth home win in a row for an expansion team. If they do that, they'll tie the LA Galaxy, who is a very well-known Major League Soccer team. So great opportunity for the Charlotte FC tonight. I'll have more details on how you can watch and listen to the game as well coming up later today. I'll put those on our social media pages. Sunday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 86, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms for the late afternoon and evening hours on Sunday with a low of 62. Monday, we've got sunny skies, high of 88, low of 59 with mostly clear skies Monday evening. A 20% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible. And while I'm here on Monday, going on really during the overnight hours of Sunday and Monday, we've got a lunar eclipse coming up. I've had a lot of folks ask me if there's an opportunity to see that here in the county. I'm certainly hoping so. If there is an opportunity, I'm going to obviously be out there taking photographs of it. Right now, the clouds are going to have an impact on us, unfortunately. There could be some breaks in the clouds from time to time that'll give us a chance to see it. I don't think we're going to have clear viewing for the entire event, but hopefully we get the breaks when we need them to be able to really see this eclipse take place if you're going to stay up late for it. You can see it starting really during the late evening hours. Tomorrow you'll see the moon start to go from full to getting shaded in areas as the Earth passes in between the sun and the moon. And then for the totality, that'll be taking place during the early morning, or really the late hours of the Sunday going into the early morning hours of Monday. And I'll have more details on the timeline for that. I'll post that later today as well, or at least before the weekend is over, so you can get an idea of the timing. To where if you wanted to, you could just set an alarm and get up and go take a look at the different times to see the moon and its different phases of the eclipse. For Tuesday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 85, mostly clear skies Tuesday evening with a low of 57. On Wednesday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 88, mostly clear skies Wednesday evening, low of 63. And then for Thursday, here comes our first taste of 90-degree weather with 91 for the high, partly sunny skies, a 30% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms if possible on Thursday, with mostly clear skies Thursday evening and a low of 65. We'll have more on the timing for that rain as we get closer to Thursday. Right now, it looks like it would be the typical pop-up shower and thunderstorm activity that we would see with very, very hot days like that. So we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on it. And then as we head into the next weekend, the 90s are not going to ease up. They're actually going to intensify as we'll start to get closer to the mid-90s for highs. So we'll certainly continue to keep you updated on that as well. I think as far as cooler conditions are over or are concerned, we're done with those in terms of getting those 60 and 70-degree days that we've had the luxury of enjoying for a little bit longer than we typically would. I think now we're destined for the 80s and 90s, and hopefully we stay away from the hundreds as we start to head through the late spring and into the summer. let's go ahead and give you an update on how you can stay updated with us at any time. You can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Saturday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.